Let's see the demo of before update business rule. In this demo, the use case is this, that if any user tries to update caller of the incident, then a message should display to the user about not allowing to change the incident caller and contact the incident management team for any queries. Okay. Why not allowing to change caller of incident? Because suppose that an incident is created and incident management team started working on it, and any user tries to change the caller of the incident, it will create uneasy condition for incident management team. So that's why changing of caller of the incident is not allowed. Okay, so let's start the demo of before update business rule. For this we are going to open the list of incidents. So let's quickly open the list of incidents. Incident dot list. Okay, and from here we are going to open the business rules that are related to the incident and tasks table. So we are going to click on business rules. Okay, so these are the business rules that are related to incident and tasks table, and we are going to click on new button to create a new record for business rule. Okay, before we start creating the business rule, we have to open the incident form. So we are going to quickly open the incident form. Incident dot form. Okay, why we are opening the incident form in new tab? So that we can get access to the backend or system value of the field if required. Okay, so we can see the system name value or the backend value of a field by right clicking on the label of a field. So this is the system value or backend name of the field. Okay, so we are going to go back to our business rule record and give the meaningful name here. Deny caller change, and we are going to check the advanced checkbox, and in when to run we are going to use when before update. Why we are using this? Because the incident is already created and the user is trying to change the or update the caller of the created incident. Okay, and that's why we are using before update. So before updating the record of the incident, this particular business rule has to run and not allow the user to change the caller of the incident. Okay, and we are going to use the filter conditions. So we are going to choose the field caller, and operator will be changes. Okay, if the caller changes, the business rule has to run. And we will go to advanced section, and in the script we are going to type our script. First let's toggle full screen and zoom in. Okay, here we are going to add our code. So we have to display the message to the user of not allowing to change the caller of the incident and contact the incident management team for any queries. So we are going to use the glide system object, with the help of which we are going to display the message to the user. So it will be gs dot add error message. It's going to accept the string value, so this will be our message. Okay, and after that we are going to abort the updation of the incident. So we are going to use the current object, current dot set abort action. Okay, it will accept the boolean value, so we are going to pass true. Okay, now we are going to zoom out and leave the full screen and save the business rule. So our business rule is saved. Now we are going to test the functionality of our newly created business rule. So we are going to open the list of incidents. Incident dot list. Okay, let's open one incident, and here we are going to try to change the caller. It will be demo user. Okay, now we are going to save the incident, and let's see if our business rule will work or not. We are going to save it. Okay, so it is not allowing the user to change the color and it is displaying the message. So our business rule is working. Okay, but as you can see, the caller is still demo user, but this is not saved into the database of incident table. So if we refresh the page, we are going to see the previous caller, that is ex-employee. Okay, so to overcome this particular functionality, what we can do is that we can add a code here. So let's zoom in again. Okay, before aborting the action, we are going to update the caller to the previous caller. Okay, so it will be using previous object dot caller underscore id. Okay, leave the full screen, zoom out. Okay, save the business rule or update the business rule. Okay, now we are going to test the functionality of our updated business rule. So let's go back to our incident form and refresh the page. And we are going to change the caller again, demo user. Okay, and we are going to save the incident form. Okay, now you can see the message is being displayed, and plus the caller is the previous caller which was presented to the user when this particular incident form was brought from the database. And we can perform this particular functionality with the help of no code approach also. So if you want to use the no code approach, what you have to do is that go back to business rule and you have to comment it out the code. Okay, and we will use the action sections here, and in the add message we have to check the checkbox of it, and in the message field we are going to set this message. This is our message, and we are going to about the action. So we are going to check the checkbox of about action. Okay, now we are going to update the business rule or save the business rule. Now we are going to test the functionality of business rule, that is using the no code approach. So if we go back to our incident form and refresh the page, and we will again try to change the color of the incident and save the incident. Now you can see that the functionality is working without any code. Okay, so if you want to perform the functionality with the help of no code approach, then you can do it with the help of actions sections in the business rule. Okay, so this was a demo of before update business rule. If you have any queries, write it down in a comment. If you like this video, do share the videos with others. Subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.